This is Sean Crawford with Rainwater Management Solutions. So I talked to you about the RMS rack-mounted purification units. That's the RMS4 and RMS5 dash 12 Rs or 4 Rs. There's a lot of different variations you'll see online. But the thing I want to talk about today is the controller unit. So the RMS4 control unit is just a timer on these purification lights. That's all it is. It's just going to have a little timer on it. So it would be a very simple timer, which this unit does not have. This is an RMS5. This has a control unit on it. So that's what I want to show you because there's a lot of details in this RMS5. The big thing to know when you go to install your unit or replace your bulb is that it has a little chip here that plugs in and out of the unit. And that's the signature. It's got a serial number attached to it that you have the right bulb. So the first things first, you want to take that chip out and you want to make sure you have the correct bulb by putting in the new, taking out the old chip, putting in the new chip. It'll tell you right away that this bulb is good, it's the right bulb size. The other good feature to this unit is that it will display the manufacturer's name. So it's got our name on there. It tells you all the different parts, the replacement parts. So if you ever call us, you can tell us exactly the part you need to get replaced. The main items you'll be replacing on a UV light are going to be the sleeve inside, which is the actual glass tube that protects the bulb from getting wet, or you'll be replacing the bulb itself because the bulb has just ran out of its potency, its dosage. And then every once in a while you might have to, if a control goes bad, it has that on there, but that's pretty rare that that goes bad. But those are the main parts that you would be looking at replacing. The great thing about this feature is it keeps a timer. It tells you how long that bulb's been activated. So UV lights are only going to last for 365 days, so a year. And it'll keep track of that no matter if it's powered on and off when you replace the unit and run through its replacement process. So it'll keep track and count down those days that UV light's been on, which is really good because you don't want to lose dosage and then it's not treating the water properly. So this RMS5, again, is the one that has all this control feature, which is pretty nice. Most of our customers say it's worth it. Otherwise, you just have a simple timer. You're not going to know, on the RMS4s, you're going to have a simple timer. You're not going to really know what your replacement parts are exactly or anything. You'd have to call us and figure that out. So yeah, a lot of great features. Feel free to call in to RMS and ask us any more questions about the products.